Hi everyone, welcome back to day 2 of my cybersecurity learning journey. Yesterday I learned about the general methodology of penetration testing, and today I learned something that I think is just as important, the standard and framework used for different type of security testings. Because apparently cybersecurity doesn't have one single checklist that works for everything. The approach for testing a web application is different from testing an API, a mobile application, a Wi-Fi network, or cloud environments. I start with web application security. The main reference here include the OWASP testing guide and the OWASP top 10s. This framework helps testers understand common web application security risks and provide guidance on how to test for them. So if I'm testing a website or web applications, OWASP is one of the main reference I need to understand. Next is API security. For API, there is the OWASP API security top 10s. API have their own specific security challenge, especially around authentications, authorization, and how data is accessed. So even though an API is part of application, the way we test it can be quite different from testing a traditional web interface. Then there is mobile security. For mobile applications, I came across OWASP MSTG or the mobile application security testing guides along with MSVS. They are specifically focused on mobile application security. This made me realize that testing a mobile application isn't just about looking at the apps itself. We also need to think about how the application store data, communicate with API, and handle sensitive information on the device. For Wi-Fi and wireless security, there are references such as OWASP wireless testing and NIST SP800-15G. The focus here is different again. We might need to consider wireless configurations, authentications, encryption, and the overall security of the wireless environments. For network security testing, PTS and NIST SP800-115 are important references. These provide guidance for accessing network infrastructure and conducting technical security testing. This is where understanding the infrastructure, service, and network architecture become really important. And finally, cloud security. Some of the references include CSA Cloud Control Metric, the OWASP Cloud Native Application Security Top 10s, and SIS benchmarks. Cloud environments have their own challenges. Misconfigurations, identity and access management, and insecure cloud service can all create security risks. So, testing a cloud environment requires a different mindset compared to testing a traditional network. So what I learned today is that different security domains require different reference and also frameworks. The important thing isn't just memorizing all of these names. It is understanding which framework to use for the type of environment you are testing. Web applications, API, mobile apps, wireless network, traditional network, and cloud environment all have different security considerations. Okay, that is what I learned on day 2, and see you on day 3.